keep showing up where I am not wanted. I keep saying less than I feel. I know what this is. I just do not know how to leave. Give enough to keep me close, not enough to keep me whole. I see the pattern now. I just hate that I know it so well. I cannot keep asking for less. I cannot keep calling this home, but I still till I